Hey friends, in today's quick video, we're going to take a closer look at the Manscaped Weed Whacker. Obviously, this is a little electric nose, ear, hair trimmer. Now, there's a couple of important features that we need to check out. One, it's got a safe skin replaceable head. So again, this is really going to prevent those nicks and cuts up in those sensitive areas. It's got a high performance motor up to 9,000 RPM. It's cordless and rechargeable. Again, super important for us. We're not switching out batteries all the time. And then this is super awesome too. It's waterproof, which means we can clean it really easily. Now, as you can see, Manscaping does a really great job on their packaging, which makes these things really nice experience to open up as well as to give as like a gift. But as far as accessories it comes with, we've got a nice little carrying bag, little wall outlet adapter with the USB charger. And then you can see that is the little port that goes into the bottom of our device here, trimmer, to be able to recharge it. And then you also have a little cleaning brush here to get all those stray hairs off. Here's a closer look at that trimmer. Really nice design to it. It feels really good in your hand. Feels like a good quality piece of electronics. Again, you have the charging port on the bottom and the power button up here. It comes charged, so we can actually turn it on with a single push. You can see the light goes on and you can hear a little bit of noise on top that the trimmer does make. Turn it off, we just hit that power button one more time. Now finally, to clean, we can actually twist the head off very easily. You can see that we can remove this, you can run this underneath water, you can brush it, get it all nice and clean before putting it back on. So there you go, that is the Manscaped Weed Whacker. Cool little device, definitely great for personal grooming. Go check it out right here on Amazon.